Good morning and welcome to Forex Club TV. Today is Monday, September 14th, 2009. I'm Remy with your Forex Club market update. As we kick off the week, the US dollar is trading on a firm note against the major currency pairs. And here at the market open at the New York Stock Exchange, we're seeing the Dow Jones Industrial Average start off in the red. Now, overnight, we saw that the markets in the European and Asian markets were mostly lower. Meanwhile, a growing trade dispute between US and China is also weighing on overall market sentiment. Here in New York, we will be paying attention to Fed speakers as well as a speech by President Obama down on Wall Street later this afternoon. Now, taking a closer look at the major currency pairs, let's start out with the euro-dollar pair. Now, in the short term, the upside does prevail and daily indicators remain positive and do not show any reversal signs. Now, the preference of Trading Central analysts for the euro-dollar pair on the short term is that as long as the pivot of 140 is not broken on the downside, they do favor an up move with 146.60 and then 149.30 as the next targets. And alternatively, only the downside breakout of the pivot of 140 will invalidate the bullish scenario. And in this case, a decline should shape between 1 and 37.50 at first, followed by 1 and 34.50. Now, moving on to the dollar yen, in the short term, the pair is under pressure. Daily technical indicators are bearish and do not show any reversal signs. The preference of Trading Central analysts is that as long as the pivot of 95 is not broken on the upside, they do favor down moves, with targets currently standing at 89.80 and then 87 in extension. Now, alternatively, only the upside breakout of the pivot of 95 will invalidate the bearish scenario. And in that case, a recovery should shape towards 98 at first, followed by 101.50. And last but not least, let's take a look at the euro-yen cross. On an intraday basis, Trading Central analysts say the upside does prevail. The RSI is well directed and calls for further advance. The pair is also on the upside and is currently challenging its intermediary resistance. Now, analysts at Trading Central prefer long positions above the pivot, which currently stands at 131.75, with targets standing at 132.50 and 132.85 in extension. Now, alternatively, below that pivot point, they do look for further downside, with targets standing at 131.30, followed by 131 in extension. And that wraps it up for today's Forex Club market update. Join us tomorrow morning for your latest in FX news. Thanks for watching.